Morning everyone. Today we're going to do oil change on this 2014 Camry. It's time for it, and as I recommend all the time, do your oil change at 5,000 miles. Okay, you set it like this. It has every 5,000 miles I get maintenance required indicator comes on, and that's how I do it. Okay, I have something to share with you. If you do your own oil change, especially if you have a sedan, it's low on the ground, you can buy ramps anywhere online or on automotive stores, Walmart, Home Depot. They sell them everywhere, so they are really useful. As I said, always get the right filter on your cells, everything. And if you can just get original, go get an OEM filter, get the recommended oil for your car. Today I'm going to change, this is the cap where the filter goes in. Usually in this cars, if you have this kind of cap filter holder, they come with a nice Toyota original, yeah. These cars, they come with a plastic. It's very good plastic, hard plastic, and I want to replace it. Don't mess up with these. If this comes off, you better just, because if this doesn't, this is like a bypass, right? So if this does not work right, your oil won't get filtered. So if you have this kind of car, this kind of filter, it doesn't matter, it's this kind or the plastic one, and you get damaged, or this one's accidentally, you turn it, comes off, go get another one. Try to put it together, because it will never go back right. And if it doesn't, like I said, your oil won't get filtered. Okay, let's move now. As I always say, these washers, they need to get replaced on every oil change, because if you go, I know most of people, they don't torque the bolt, but why these, they get squished when you tie the bolt, the drain bolt on your catch pan. And over time, if you keep using it, reusing it, you may get away once, twice, but over time it will leak. Then you're gonna notice on your floor oil, and that's the problem. I get always, this is the part number for Toyota Camry. It's a lot of brands Lexus and Toyota that holds the same part number. Just make sure that fits your car. And this one, it comes with the two cells, right? This one goes on bottom, this goes on top. Oh, let me show you. The big one goes here, the small one goes on the drain. This is the drain, the drain plug, right? You push it in, it opens that, and you get all the oil that's inside. So when you open it, you won't, the oil won't come on your face. And we have this filter, this cartridge. Okay. As I say, Toyota takes mobile one, or I have the original 0W20 Toyota oil. So, which I recommend. You can get this online. It's a reasonable price, and you put it. Always you put the oil that came with the car. You will need also a bucket like this to get your oil in there. All these automotive stores, they take 5 gallon of used oil, so don't throw it in your garbage or on your backyard or down in the sewer, right? Please. So get everything set here. Get my filter, I get my oil, I get my bucket here, and just we go and crack the drain plug, and we go from there. This is how it goes, right? Cartridge goes inside, and if you're using a torque wrench, this is what the recommended Titan is, 25 plus minus 5 Newton meter. Okay, and this one, it's 13 Newton meter. Okay, don't go over tighten it. So like I said, always replace the cells. This is the small one where it goes. This is the big one where it goes. Right now, the best thing you can do is, from the oil you just drain, you take your finger and you go around this, because when you start tightening this one, you want this to be slippery. If it's not, this is dry, right? So if you go, you may take it with it, and maybe you crush it, you pinched it, and it will start leaking right away. So the same thing with this one. You just put your finger here. All right, let me show you. All right, just like this. All right, this is better you put it before, because this would fall on you, but you better put it right now. Screw it in, then you can tighten it to the specification after this get put in. All right, Let's pull the old filter, put this back in, put the drain plug with a new washer, and put oil. Hey folks, another thing, if you have a manual, always, owner's manual, refer to this to make sure you do things right. There are a lot of information here how to do things, right? A ton, right? So take a moment. So this car with filter, without filter. So we changed the filter, which, yeah, you have to change your filter every oil change. This is a 2.5 4 liter 2.5 liter 4-cylinder 2IR FE engine. It holds 4.6 quarter or 4.4 liter, and if you have a 3.5 liter V6, it holds more than that, literally almost 2 quarters extra. So on this guy we're gonna put 4.6 quarts. You see, I love this. They give you all. You can educate yourself. So your 0W20 can go out, like this. This is the temperature settings. Temperature that your oil can handle for the engine to start, right? Yeah, there's plenty of things, your battery if you want to replace it, how to jack your car, right? The lift point. This is the front, this is the rear. Gives you all this on the 4-cylinder, the 6-cylinder. Oh man, yeah. This is something you need to review. Every time you want to do something, take a look, right? It has the sound like, it has everything, all what you need to know to do things right. That's why they call it owner's manual. All right. So that's what we did. Also today I will replace my like I said, I'm going, sorry for the background, was my daughter. All right, the wipers, get the 2 new ones. Can show you later it's easy to replace them. All right, let's put oil now. All right, I took one out. Let's give it all one bomb. Gonna have a tab, to push down. Depends how they fit, okay? There are instructions that come with these wipers and just try to these instructions they come, because they come with the different gadgets, right? So for me, for my car, it just snap in. Always it goes, and you can check, right? Doesn't okay, does this have one? Okay, take the other one off. Here you go, they come with the gadgets. That's all we need to do when you want to change your wipers. Now we're gonna go inside and see how to reset. I will show you how to reset the indicator, the maintenance indicator. Let's get inside. All right. Bismillah. Your keys in the ignition. First, you need to put the trip A. Oh, let's put trip A. Turn this off. Wait, it doesn't. All right. The focus in. Trip A to 0. Then you turn off your ignition without starting the car. You push this one. Right. 1 second. Let me find a place how to position this phone for you to be able to see what's gonna happen.